opportunity to judge today. This is one of the biggest show I'm judging. I've been judging other small shows, but this is the biggest one. Thanks, Chet, for allowing me to judge today. All are excellent birds, almost close to 100 birds. I see two people from Utah, one from Oregon, and a few from California. It's a really honor to judge those birds. Thanks. I really enjoy judging all the birds, looking at all the birds. So anyway, there will be only one person going to win, but still, there's a lot of good birds. I really appreciate that you take it very sportive. Thank you. So I'm going to bring down some birds down just to see other birds, but we may go back again up because I want to give an opportunity for the other two birds to stay on the lights. Win today is the bird which is on a better condition and represents the breed closer to the standards, and I really like the type and style. The T-check, it's a champion.
Can you give us, we have to bring up some seconds,
Yeah.
top 6, and go down to 5 reserve.
Bring up the reserve T-check.
Yeah.
Really like the type, style, everything, whatever you need. It's a combo, it's a package. is not there this ground. So it is pretty much like the old cars, but this is a full package. I really like it. Nice crust, rosettes, right, station, and it's very active bird. It's almost finished molting, so it may look even better next year. That's why I really like it. Blue bar hen. Wanna bring the reserve?
Yeah, I need 208. Yeah,
So Great Western 2024 champion Andy.
All right.